We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The tragic novel Gonggo was written in 1937 by Wu Zhuoliu, who taught in the school in Miaoli County for 20 years. Taiwan was under Japanese rule, and Japanese teachers received higher pay than their Taiwan counterparts. Gonggo means a dog's life and also has implications of being worked to death for a pittance. Wu was one of very few who had the courage to stand up against the unfairness of the system and left his job, only to fall on hard times. His novel mirrors his life, ending with his hero's 5-year-old asking him if the academic certificates hung on his walls could be sold to buy food.
Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day on ICRT. Ngai hei Joseph Lin, ngo hai Joseph Lin, wa shi Joseph Lin, and I am Joseph Lin. See, that's 4 languages in one. I remember it all.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
前几天呢，就是吃完晚饭的时候啊，跟朋友吃完晚饭之后啦，他们觉得我哈卡应该很厉害。对啊，然后就是开始要考我，那他是考很简单的东西啊，就是那种再见啊怎么说，或者说开车小心。我想说这种东西真的是每一天都会讲，哎，我真的被考倒了，完全就完全不知道了。
追爸爸
So I have no idea how to say, drive carefully or bye bye,
Bye bye.
We've never said bye bye on our program right here. So how do you say that? 到底是怎么说啊？
张磊了，
就还是张来了啊？张来了应该是再来玩嘛。
再来我们也会说再见啦，张磊了啊。那我们年轻人也常常就直接就拜拜。
就拜拜就好了，
就拜拜。
其实国语也是一样，就拜拜。
客家话我讲张来了，
张来了。Oh, so every time we say 张来了, I just thought that it means come back again. But I guess in English it's the same thing. 也是有 see you later 嘛。I mean, we don't really mean later. It could be like a year later. Let's put in one full sentence. 比如说大家都有开车嘛，就说开车小心，然后see you later 这样子。
视察我生意哦，张来了。
好快哦，视察。视察就是开车。
我生意哦。
我生意要小心，
要小心。
Oh, gotta be careful.
张来了，
张来了。视察我生意，张来生意。
小心。
视察我生意，生意。张来了。Oh, so that means drive carefully, and we'll see you later. Next time, I will know how to say goodbye officially. And thank you for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家
And to say see you later.
张来了，
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.